Check out this super cheesy sausage bake I just made. Starts out with 2 pounds of sausage. You can use hot or mild. It's Italian sausage. We're using 1 large yellow onion, and then I got 2 large red bell peppers. Let's get started. So the first trick I'm going to show you is how to use every little bit of your red pepper. Cut off the bottom, cut off the top just like that. Now look at this. You can pop this out just like that. Absolute zero waste. You're not going to eat that, but you don't have to throw that away. Now it's real simple. Cut down through your little connectors there, and there you go. That's what you don't want, and that's what you want. We got 100% of that pepper. So now we're just going to cut it up, big chunk pieces just like that. We'll do the same thing with the onion. I'm going to cut right down the middle. 1, 2. This is what I feel like when all y'all make those mean comments. And old Dano, you make him cry. Just get you a baking dish, load it up with our onions and peppers, get it spread around. Now we got our 2 pounds of sausage. Like I said, I'm using a hot sausage. Just put little pieces of sausage all throughout our mix here. Now everything's evenly spread out. Grab the Dano's Primo. That's right, that's the silver top, and we're gonna sprinkle generously. Now the beautiful thing about this recipe is that it is super easy. You don't need any oil. All you need is some of the Andy's Original by Earthquake Spices. That's who turned me on to this recipe. So now we're just gonna take our hot sauce and do a little drizzle of that right over everything. Now we're gonna go into our 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, it has been 25 minutes. My kitchen smells amazing right now. I already tried a little sample of this and it's absolutely phenomenal. Now we're gonna take some fresh mozzarella cheese. We're gonna go right over the top. Back into our 400-degree oven we go. All right, a little over 5 minutes later. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, now it's time to get a bite. That's exciting. A little pepper, a little onion, some sausage and cheese. Let's go. That is crazy good. The Primo and that Andy's hot sauce, that is indeed a winner for dinner. A 10 out of 10, and I'd do it again. If you want to make it a little bit healthier, just don't put the cheese on it. Enjoy. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.